Assalamualaikum students. I hope you all are doing well. I am Alina Safraz, your English teacher, and today we are going to learn about a very interesting story called Anne of Green Gables, written by Lucy Maud Montgomery. Before starting our lecture, let's see the learning objectives of today's lesson. By the end of this lecture, students, you will be able to retell the key events from Anne's first day at school. You will be able to identify key details about setting and characters in a historical fiction text and describe the main characters and their personalities, and you will able to use new vocabulary in sentences accordingly. Students, just like our previous story, Jane Eyre, this story is also about historical fiction. हिस्टोरिकल फिक्शन एक ऐसी स्टोरी होती है जिसमें करेक्टर्स इमेजिनेटिव होते हैं बट टाइम पीरियड एंड प्लेसेस आर रियल. वो दोनों चीज़ें रियल होंगी लेकिन करेक्टर्स रियल नहीं होंगे. सो हेयर इज़ अ शॉर्ट समरी ऑफ एन ऑफ ग्रीन गेबल्स. Anne is an 11-year-old orphan who is sent to Green Gables, a farm on Prince Edward Island. Matthew and Marilla wanted to adopt a boy, but mistakenly she get Anne, a talkative and imaginative girl with red hair. Anne loves her new home and makes friends easily. She starts going to school and meets other children, including Gilbert Blythe. Gilbert Blythe is an other important character of this story. The story follows Anne's adventure as she learns about friendship, kindness, and growing up. Here are some key details of this story. This story is set in Canada in a small village called Avonlea. Anne lives in a house called Green Gables, and this story takes place in 1800th century when people wrote with chalk on slates instead of using paper and pens. People are basically so simple in this era. Students, let's see who are the main characters of this story. There are basically four main characters of these stories. Anne, a bright, imaginative and talkative orphan girl with red hair and freckles. फ्रैकल्स जो मुंह पे ना थोड़े थोड़े निशान जिन्हें बोल रहे ना वो होते हैं. She loves to use big words and has a wonderful imagination. Mr. Phillips was the teacher of Anne, the strict school teacher who is very formal and old fashioned. 18th century की ये स्टोरी है तो हर चीज़ ओल्ड फैशन ही इसमें होगी. He believes in strict discipline and use harsh punishment, showing little understanding of Anne's imaginative nature. Marilla was Matthew's sister. बेसिकली मैथ्यू जो है मैरिला का भाई था. ये दोनों बहन भाई थे जिन्होंने अडॉप्ट एक लड़के को करना था टू गेट हेल्प इन देयर फार्म वर्क, बट मिस्टेकनली दे अडॉप्टेड एन. शी इज स्ट्रिक्ट but has a kind heart. She wants to teach Anne good manners and proper behavior. Gilbert Blythe, a clever and mischievous boy at school, he teases Anne, which makes her very angry at first. Let's compare Anne's classroom with today's world classroom for better understanding. Basically, ये old and modern में comparison होगा. Anne's classroom has simple wooden desks and benches, but in today's classroom, students sit on chairs and tables. Anne used to write on slates with chalk, but in today's world, you used pen and pencils to write on notebooks. In Anne's classroom, teachers used to write with chalk on board, but in today's world, teachers use board markers to write on whiteboards. Anne's have limited books and resources, but in today's class, there is technology to far better educational environment. Anne's first day at school. बेसिकली ये उस चैप्टर की समरी है जो आप अपनी बुक्स में रीड करेंगे एंड यू विल रीड हाउ एक्साइटेड एन was about her first day. She noticed every little detail about her class and school. She loves to sit beside window because she loves to stare at the stream outside the window. वो हर टाइम बाहर स्ट्रीम नदी उसको देखती रहती थी और चीज़ें इमेजिन करती रहती थी. मिसिस ट्रेसी was her in-charge teacher and Mr. Phillips taught her Canadian language. हिस्ट्री एंड मैथमेटिक्स। मैंने इसलिए आपको डिफरेंस बताया ताकि आप मिस ट्रेसी और मिस्टर फिलिप्स में कंफ्यूज ना हो जाएं। गिलबर्ट ब्लाइथ was also her class fellow who loves to tease Anne. Students, you will read two chapters of Anne of Green Gables in your book. First one is Anne's first day at school, जो हमने अभी डिस्कस किया, and second one is Anne gets crossed. In this chapter, Gilbert Blythe met her for the very first time. Gilbert Blythe wanted to get Anne's attention. He thought her red hair was beautiful, but instead of being nice, he played a mean trick. When Anne wasn't looking, Gilbert reached over and pulled her long braid. Braid means chutiya. He called her carrots because her red hairs. This made Anne very, very angry, and as a result, Anne gets furious and she broke her slate on Gilbert's head. Vocabulary from Anne of Green Gables. Here is the list of words that you will read in your story. Make sure to highlight them in your books and memorize them with spellings. The first one is initials. The first letters of a person's name. Odd, strange or unusual. Imagination. The ability to create pictures in your mind. Disgraceful, shameful. Gazing, looking steadily at something for a long time. गेजिंग का मतलब होता है घूरना. स्नोटी, एक्टिंग सुपीरियर टू अदर्स. इसका मतलब है कि दूसरों को अपने से कम जानना और खुद को कहना कि बस मैं ही हूँ सब कुछ. फियसली, इन अ वाइल्ड, इंटेंस और अग्रेसिव वे. स्टूडेंट्स, here is your homework assignments. Make sure to complete your homework. नोटबुक वर्क. आपने नोटबुक में जो हमने अभी कीवर्ड्स पढ़े हैं उनको यूज़ करते हुए सेंटेंस मेकिंग करनी है. एंड द अदर टास्क इज़ बुक रीडिंग. डू बुक रीडिंग ऑफ पेज नंबर 16, 18 एंड 22. यहाँ पर वो चैप्टर्स हैं जिनकी अभी मैंने आपको समरी बताई है और समझाया है. एंड सॉल्व पेज नंबर 17, 19 एंड 23. जैसे आप 16, 18, 22 की रीडिंग करेंगे, साथ साथ आपने ये पेज नंबर 17, 19 एंड 23 सॉल्व करने हैं. ये आपकी स्टोरी के रेलिवेंट ही है. Thank you so much students for listening carefully. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Take care, complete your homework and I will see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.